Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today on this video I'll be sharing with you how you can make crunchy french fries or chips at home every time. It is a very straightforward recipe, so keep on watching. So I soaked my potatoes in cold water and they have been here for like 45 minutes, and the purpose of doing this is to just get rid of the starch so that the potatoes do not stick together. And after that you're just going to drain the water and deep fry this in hot oil, guys, and then you're going to spread them out. And before they are fully cooked, like I'm not sure you can see from the video, like these are just half cooked. You do not let them cook all the way, you just cook them half, and then you're just going to scoop them from the oil. And guys, use very high flame when doing this, so just put them on a colander or just a spoon like this one, and then you're just going to put them aside and let them drain all the excess oil. And one thing that I like about this recipe is that it does not fail even if you're trying it for the first time. And you're going to leave the oil to boil after removing the potatoes, then go ahead and add the other batch. I had a lot of potato or a lot of chips that I was making on this day, so you're just going to scoop them from the hot oil and then set them aside. And again, they are not fully cooked, they are just half cooked. So just go ahead and then you're going to set them aside again, like I said, for the other batch. And then you're going to leave the oil to be hot enough, like let it boil. And this is how the potatoes were looking like. And then you're going to add them to deep fry for the second time. And this time around the oil is super hot, I'm sure you can see. So just let the potatoes cook in that hot oil. And guys, do not like stir them around. Stir them when you see them, that when you see that the color is starting to change. So just keep turning them around to ensure that they cook evenly on both sides. And you know that it's ready when when the fries start to get golden brown on the sides. And then you're going to keep stirring these and moving them around just to make sure that they deep fry evenly. And another tip, guys, is to always soak your potatoes in salty water. And I had added a small amount of salt to the water that I had soaked the potatoes in, so that after deep frying you're not going to need to add more salt. And here is the other batch that we're just going to let that deep fry. And here are the fries. They are so ready, they are so crunchy. You can't tell this from the video until you try it yourself and find out the goodness of these chips. They are so nice, I love them, and I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for being here, and until the next time, bye bye.